I'm going to sublimate on these Dollar Tree dry erase pedals, but before I sublimate on them, I will laminate them first, and I will be using this thermal laminating pouches to laminate on them so that I can sublimate on top of it. And I'll be using sublimation paper, Poui sublimation paper, and Poui sublimation ink. And I will also be using parchment paper. Let's get to it. Here are my laminating pouches. I will separate it like I need only one piece for one side of the pedal. Okay. And I'm going to place it on the pedal. And the rough side should be showing down on the pedal and the smooth side should be on top of it. You see, I have two sides of it. So the rough side is down there on the pedal and the smooth side is on top of the pedal. So I will laminate it for 275 for 20 seconds. Here I am outside. I'm going to do this project outside. Here is my pedal and here is my laminating pouch, half a piece. Like I told you, the rough side will be on against the pedal and the smooth side will be on top of the pedal. So I'm going to put it on my heat press. Make sure I adjust it really well. And then I'm going to put up another piece of parchment paper on top of it. And then I'm going to press it for 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. You should check how you want it to be. If you want it to be a little bit higher, but not too hot, not 400. Okay, so I laminated it already. I streak my hand to flatten it right there, but it's hot, hot, hot. So here it is. I've laminated. Okay, and now I'm going to trim the excessive laminating paper around it. I'm going to trim it. First, I start with a small scissors, but after that, I saw that I really needed the X-Acto knife. So I used my husband's X-Acto knife to trim it really well. So you see when I cut with the scissors, you see some parts is left. So I used the X-Acto knife to trim that part off. And if you're using it, it's really, really sharp. You need to be super careful. And after you're done, put it away from children because I have some nosy kids in this house. So I trim it really well. Really, really well. Okay, I'm done. And now I'm going to sublimate it. You see here, I'm going to place my paper on top of it. I mean underneath it. If you want to see how I created this image in Silhouette Studio, I will post the video in one of those days. I'm taping it. Tape it really well so that it doesn't move. And then I'm going to press it for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Make sure you do it really well, like taping it. I didn't tape mine really well, so I have to check it again. And then I place it on top of my heat press right there. Put some parchment paper over it. And then I press it for 400 degrees. Actually, it was 390 something. And I'm done. And check it out. Check it out. Check it out. The color, look at the ink release. It came out really well. It came out really well. You see that? And I'll be using Poui sublimation paper and Poui sublimation ink. And I will leave the link down below if you want to try it too. This is amazing ink. I will also give you the color profile. You see, when you press it, it will be thick on the back. It will go look a little bit bad. If you want to press both sides, please let it cool down first. Let it cool down first and it will turn out grade again, like how you bought it, and then you can press the other side. I waited for it to cool down and then I laminated the other side. And now I'm going to trim the excessive laminating paper from it. Like I did the first one, the first side, cut it with a scissor, and then go over it with the X-Acto knife. It's up to you how your skills are. If you can cut it the first time clean, no, just go for it. Okay. And this is my other paper that I'm going to laminate on. I'm going to sublimate on it. Okay. And like I said, I'll make a video on how I did this in Silhouette Studio. So I'm going to tape it really quick. And I taped it all the way. I taped it better than the first time. So I'm going to press it again. 400 degrees. Just like 384. Because my machine was hot. Everything was hot. This paper, you can also do it 380 something, 390 something, and it will work just fine. And look at that. Look at the color. Look. It is amazing. You need to see it in person. You need to see the ink release. You need to see the color. This is a color profile that I have for my paper and for my ink. The result, if you use it, the result will be amazing. You will tell me again. If you need this, actually you need it. I will leave the link down below for you to order. You can order paper from me and ink from me, from my company. The ink release is amazing. The color is amazing. I will give you the color profile that I'm using for this ink and for this paper. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. It's so amazing, so beautiful. So beautiful. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you.